installation is stage one, really. Ongoing, we advise that the product will last for up to 3 years on a surface. Very much like if you had a car and you need to get that serviced and for the warranty to be valid, then it's a similar sort of thing with Touchpoint Shield, in that we offer an annual inspection, and we can provide swab testing at whatever frequency a client might want. They might want it every 3 months, they might want it every 2 weeks, they might want it annually, might not want it at all. That's completely down to the client and their budget and their requirement and what they want to do. But the options are there, almost limitless, really. The annual inspection is basically there to say we'll recertificate it on an annual basis to say yes, the product is still there, it's still active, it's still working. We go around to the touch points using the laser pen to confirm that, to enable us to issue that certification. It may be a case that over the course of the 12-month period you've had a refurbishment, or a toilet handle has broken, or something's been replaced. We'll recoat those anyway, free of charge, included in the maintenance. So there's additional benefits to that, not only from an audit perspective, to enable you to say yes, we still know that this is still working, and to be able to tick that box to say yes, we are happy that it's still working. You get a certificate with that as well that carries you through for another 12 months. We do that for a period of 3 years. If on the 3rd year we come and we inspect and everything is still working, everything is still fine, we'll recertificate it again. So, albeit we say it works for up to 3 years, it has been proven. The liquid glass has been proven to be in place for 5 to 7 years on ships that cross the Atlantic, for instance.